Hello everyone, here is Decrypt made in China and I'm Xiaowen. Our goal is to open a window to all around the world to know what is real made in China. Today we found another amazing equipment for the gamers. It's a gaming keyboard from the Moto Speed called CK62. So let's open it right now. First is our keyboard. Here is the data cable. Here is the user menu, a warranty card. And the last one is a small tool for exchange the keycap. That's all. It's a dual-purpose keyboard that can be connected with Bluetooth or the data cable. If you want to use the Bluetooth mode, its built-in 1300 mAh battery can continuously work for 10 hours and can stand by for 480 hours. The battery life is not that long, but can be used for 1 or 2 days is already enough for most people. And if you want to use the wired mode, you can just connect this one with your computer by this Type-C to USB data cable, and it will be charged at the same time. They have two different colors, white one and black one, and this one is super small and exquisite. This one, the longest is only 30 centimeters and 10 centimeters wide. Let me weigh it right now. Okay, it's only 433 grams, just normal. And here are 4 anti-skip foods at the bottom. Here is no razor food because it's already the highest comfortable. You can use it on the table directly. Its keycaps are made of ABS material by double rubber injection molding process. They also have a metal surface treatment, not only to anti the fingerprint but also no slap. Look carefully at these milky white keys, they are so beautiful. Under each key here is an independent rebound blue switch. Let's listen to the sound of hitting it. What a crisp sound, right? In wired mode, it uses a full key conflict-free design. No matter how fast you type, there will not be the key conflict. The base of the key is made of the transparent plastic, and here is also a RGB light just below this keycap. So the light will make the keyboard very bright and beautiful after turning it on. It has 19 lighting modes in total. Let me show you now. Okay, I like the colorful flowing one most. Let's look at this space bar. It's the biggest key of the keyboard but still stable. So you can see the workmanship of this keyboard is really reassuring. Okay, now let me try it. According to the user menu, if we want to use the Bluetooth mode, we need to open the Bluetooth switch first. And then I need to press the function plus E. And then press the function plus Q and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, then you will see the light and the caps lock will be flashing. That means its Bluetooth is ready to be matched right now. And if you want to change to the wired mode, it's super easy. You just turn off the switch here and then connect it by this data cable. Finish. Super easy, right? It's really a high-volume keyboard with good typing sounds and 19 different lighting modes. If you want to know more information about these keyboards, you can find the link in the description down this video. And if you have any sentence you want to tell us about this keyboard, you can just leave the words in the comment section. And if you are interested in the tech products, you can just subscribe our channel and hope to see you next time. Bye!